Welcome to Schooling Visa, your trusted guide for studying abroad. If you dream of getting a fully funded master's degree in Europe, stay tuned, because today we are talking about the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship 2025, one of the most prestigious scholarships in the world. Imagine studying in France, Italy, and Germany, all within one master's program. Graduating with multiple degrees from top European universities, and getting paid every month while you study. Sounds amazing, right? That's exactly what the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship offers. The Erasmus Mundus Joint Master's degree, or EMJMD, is a fully funded scholarship funded by the European Union. It allows international students to study a master's program offered by a consortium of universities in at least 2 different European countries. At the end, you'll receive a joint or double master's degree, recognized worldwide. Here's what makes it one of the best scholarships. Full tuition fees covered. Travel and visa costs included. Health insurance provided. And a monthly stipend between €1,000 and €1,400 for up to 2 years. That means you can focus on your studies, not on expenses. Anyone with a bachelor's degree can apply, whether you studied engineering, business, or social sciences. If you're from Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, or any non-EU country, you'll apply as a partner country student, which often gives higher funding priority. You just need strong academic records, English language proficiency, and a well-written motivation letter. Applying is simple, but timing is key. Step 1. Go to the official Erasmus Plus website and browse the list of joint master's programs. Step 2. Choose a program that matches your field of study. Step 3. Prepare your documents, your CV, transcripts, recommendation letters, and English test score. Step 4. Submit your application directly on the program's official website between October and January. Competition is high, but don't be discouraged. Thousands of students from the Indian subcontinent and around the world have already received this scholarship. Apply to more than one program, write an honest motivation letter, and show how you can contribute to Europe's global vision of innovation and sustainability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Schooling Visa for more study abroad updates. And for detailed guidance or application help, visit our website, schoolingvisa.com. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Erasmus Mundus journey.